Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Minecraft with the error code 0x87e50038 in a Windows computer. So Minecraft with the error code 0x87e50038 is an issue that prevents players from playing or updating Minecraft on Windows. So this error code can have several reasons behind it, include corrupted game, outdated system components, and incompatibility with currently running processes. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this command keyword ws reset. So just type this command keyword ws reset and then click open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this ws reset commands that Microsoft Store back to default settings to fix the error and the issues. Alright, so once we're done here at the Microsoft Store, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair or reset the Xbox app. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select these apps. And on right side, and then you need to click installed apps. So here at installed apps, and you can see here that search apps, and then you need to type this Xbox, and automatically appear these apps for Xbox. So we have Xbox, Xbox Console Companion, and then Xbox Live. So all you have to do is to click this three dot on right side and then select advanced option. So here at advanced option settings, and then scroll down and select this reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. And then you need to click this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then once complete the repair process, and then you need to tap this reset. And this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then click reset and wait to complete the reset process. And after here, and go back again, and then we need to modify also the other Xbox settings. And then type again here at search apps this Xbox. And we need to modify this Xbox Console Companion, and on right side, and then click again this three dot and then select advanced option. So here at advanced option settings, scroll down and select this reset and then click repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then next step, then click this reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. And after here, and then go back again, and we need to modify the last Xbox Live settings, and then search apps, and then type again Xbox. And the last ones, this Xbox Live, and on right side, and then click this three dot, and then select advanced option. So here at advanced option settings, scroll down, and then click this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then next, then click this reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and then click reset and wait to complete the reset process. Alright, so this Xbox reset settings are totally complete, and then we need to close the settings, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Minecraft with the error code 0x87e50038 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.